What's up everyone, it's Jessica here. Today I'm going to share with you how to use chopsticks. Here we go! So chopsticks come into pairs. This is the small end. We use that to pick up food, and this is the big end. So firstly, you will need to find a point which is 1/3 of chopsticks. So around here, okay, you put that between your thumb and index finger, like this. Now put your fourth finger underneath this pair, your index finger on the upper stick, and your middle finger on the second stick. And now close your thumb. Okay, so here you can push your index finger and use your thumb knot here to pull it back. And your middle finger and your fourth finger is controlling the lower stick. You see? So basically, if you move your index finger, push it, and you use your thumb knot to push back, and that's it. Okay, so these are some dates. Okay, hope this video can help you there. Leave comments and let me know how it went through. I'll see you next time. Bye!